Here's a train here. I'm in Aguascalientes. It has two mid-engines on the train. It's all gondolas. I'm at a railroad museum. I will be doing a lot of still pictures here. No video. This train is all gondolas that are empty. I think they're empty. Yes, I'm on the shady side of the train. Here comes the end of it. I'll swing around as the end goes by. People walking across the tracks up there. Has a Fred on it. Okay, in this train museum now, where I am, there's all kinds of train cars here. Okay. Thank you much for watching this short video, and I will show just still pictures in the museum.